VisionProGlasses.com has truly set a new standard for what an online eyewear shopping experience should feel like, combining exceptional craftsmanship, modern aesthetics, and an impressively customer-centric approach that makes the entire journey. From the first moment you land on the website all the way to wearing your new glasses, feel remarkably smooth, reliable, and genuinely enjoyable. The website itself is beautifully organized, presenting a clean layout with easy navigation, vivid product images, and incredibly informative descriptions that make it simple to understand frame materials, lens technologies, fit details, and the unique advantages each pair offers. This thoughtful design immediately gives a sense of trust and professionalism, helping you feel confident that you are investing in something truly worthwhile. Their collection is surprisingly extensive, offering everything from elegant, minimalist styles to bold, modern frames that suit a wide variety of preferences, face shapes, and daily needs. When the order arrives, the experience becomes even more impressive. The packaging feels premium, secure, and carefully assembled, showing that VisionProGlasses.com cares about delivering your purchase in perfect condition. But the moment you actually put the glasses on is where this brand genuinely shines. The clarity of the lenses is extraordinary, offering sharp, vibrant vision that reduces eye strain dramatically. Whether you're spending long hours in front of screens, driving, reading, or just going about everyday tasks, the frames feel feather-light yet reassuringly durable, fitting comfortably without pinching, sliding, or causing any discomfort, even after extended wear. Each pair reflects a thoughtful blend of style and functionality, making it easy to feel confident, polished, and well-supported all day long. The customer service team deserves special appreciation as well. They are quick to respond, incredibly polite, and genuinely invested in making sure every customer feels understood, supported, and completely satisfied with their purchase. Shipping is on time, tracking information is transparent, and everything arrives exactly as described, which adds another layer of trust and reliability to the entire experience. It is rare to find an online eyewear retailer that balances quality, comfort, innovation, and attentive service so seamlessly, yet VisionProGlasses.com manages to excel in every aspect with an ease that truly sets them apart. I would wholeheartedly recommend VisionProGlasses.com to anyone seeking stylish, dependable, and high-performance eyewear that enhances clarity, comfort, and everyday confidence, because the experience they provide feels not just like a purchase, but a genuinely elevated upgrade to your vision and lifestyle.